Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your dashboard, and seeing that your business has been running smoothly while you slept. Emails were answered, content was created, ads were optimized, and sales were processed all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to AI, it's now a reality. In today's fast-paced world, automation is the key to scaling an online business without burning out. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a content-based business, or a service agency, AI-powered tools can help you streamline operations, save time, and boost revenue. But with so many AI tools out there, which ones are truly game changers? In this video, we'll explore the top 3 AI tools that can automate your online business from start to finish. These tools will handle everything from customer engagement to content creation and even financial management, allowing you to focus on growth instead of daily tasks. Let's dive in. 1. Chat for customer engagement and support. Customer interaction is one of the most time-consuming aspects of running an online business. Whether it's answering inquiries, handling complaints, or providing recommendations, staying on top of customer communication can be overwhelming. This is where chat, an advanced AI-powered chatbot, comes in. ChatGPT can be integrated into your website, social media, and even your email system to respond to customers in real time. Here's how it can revolutionize your business. 24/7 customer support. Unlike human assistants who need breaks, AI chatbots can handle customer inquiries at any time of day or night. Personalized interactions. Chat can remember past interactions with customers, making each response feel more personal and relevant. Lead qualification. Instead of spending hours filtering potential clients from uninterested visitors, ChatGPT can automatically qualify leads based on their responses and direct them to the next step in your funnel. Automated FAQ responses. You can train Chat to answer frequently asked questions, reducing the number of repetitive queries you or your team have to handle manually. By automating customer engagement, you're not just saving time, you're also improving customer satisfaction and boosting conversions. 2. Jasper AI for content creation and marketing. Every successful online business relies on consistent, high-quality content to attract and retain customers. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, or ad copy, content creation can take up a massive amount of time. That's where Jasper AI comes in. Jasper AI is an advanced content generation tool that helps you create engaging, high-converting content in minutes. Here's how it can automate your content strategy. Blog writing. With just a few prompts, Jasper can generate well-structured, SEO-optimized blog posts that can drive organic traffic to your website. Email marketing campaigns. From welcome emails to promotional campaigns, Jasper can help you craft persuasive email sequences that nurture and convert leads. Sales pages and ad copy. Writing high-converting sales pages and ad copy has never been easier. Jasper can generate persuasive copy based on proven marketing frameworks. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas and writing drafts, you can let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling your business. 3. Zapier for workflow automation and integration. Running an online business means juggling multiple tools and platforms: email marketing software, CRM systems, social media schedulers, payment processors, and more. Manually managing these systems can be a nightmare. That's where Zapier comes to the rescue. Zapier acts as a bridge between different applications, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. With Zapier, you can automate data entry, no more copying and pasting information between spreadsheets and software tools. Zapier can transfer data automatically. Connect your marketing tools. For example, you can set up a workflow where every new lead captured on your website is instantly added to your email list and CRM. Schedule social media posts. Automatically publish blog updates to your social media channels without manual posting. Send automated follow-ups. If a customer abandons their cart on your e-commerce store, Zapier can trigger an automatic follow-up email to remind them to complete the purchase. Integrate AI tools together. You can even create workflows that connect Chat, Jasper AI, and your other business tools to work in harmony. With Zapier, you can eliminate repetitive tasks, reduce human errors, and ensure your business operates like a well-oiled machine. The future of AI-powered business automation. AI isn't just a luxury for large corporations anymore. Small business owners, solopreneurs, and startup founders can now leverage the power of AI to automate tedious tasks and scale their operations faster than ever before. The question isn't whether AI will change how businesses operate, it already has. The real question is whether you'll take advantage of it or get left behind. If you're still manually handling every aspect of your business, now is the time to rethink your workflow. By implementing AI tools like Chat, Jasper AI, and Zapier, you can streamline your operations, increase efficiency, and unlock new growth opportunities. The future belongs to those who embrace automation. The businesses that leverage AI effectively will have a massive competitive advantage in the coming years. So, if you're serious about scaling your online business without working 24/7, start integrating these AI tools today. The sooner you automate, the sooner you can enjoy the freedom that comes with running a self-sustaining business. The world of AI automation is evolving rapidly, and those who adapt will thrive. Will you be one of them?